Hi all, now let's check the question. So the question is, if a and b are numbers such that a minus b into b plus 6 is equal to 0, then what is the smallest possible value of a square plus b square? So this is what we have to find. Okay. So here is a short SAT style algebra question that uses the zero product property. So what we are using here, zero product property. Okay. Zero product property. Okay. So what is our first step? We have to apply the zero product property, right? So if the product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of the factors must be 0. So either a minus 4 is equal to 0 or b plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. That means a is equal to 4 or b is equal to minus 6. Okay. So we cannot obtain any conclusion without solving it properly, right? So let's take each case. So what is our case 1? What is our case 1? A is equal to 4. Okay. So then we can take a square plus b square is equal to 16 plus b square, right? How did you get the 16? That is 4 square. Okay. So to make this expression as small as possible, we have to choose b is equal to 0. Okay. So then make b is equal to 0 here. That will be 16 plus 0, that is equal to 16. So this is our case 1. Now let's take case 2. Okay. Case 2. What is our case 2? B is equal to minus 6. Right. So we have to take a square plus b square. That is what provided here. Okay, that's why we are taking that. A square plus b square is equal to a square plus what is minus 6 square? That is 36. Right. So we are keeping the a square here as it is, just like we kept the b square here. Okay. And we are substituting the value for b, that is 6 square minus 6 square, that will be 36. To minimize this, we have to choose a is equal to 0. So when a is equal to 0, then what will be the value then? 0 plus 36, which is equal to 36. Okay. So now we have to compare the result. So case 1 gives 16 and case 2 gives 36. What is the smallest value? So case 1 gave you 16 and case 2 gave you 36. Okay. So what is the smallest value here? 16. So the answer will be 60. Okay. So whenever you see a format that is x, y equal to 0, remember the zero product property. So whenever you see a question in this format, you should remember this property. So either the first factor is 0 or the second factor is 0. That is the case. Then choose the remaining variable to make the required expression as small as possible. So here it was a is equal to 4, which gives 16 plus b square, whose minimum is 60. And for b, that is b is equal to minus 6, which give a square plus 36, whose minimum is 36. So the answer is 60. So I hope it is clear for you. Thanks for watching.